Introducing the 2024 Ford Ranger Decab Wildtrak 2.0 TD2 in sleek grey exterior. This powerful 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission is perfect for all your pickup needs. Packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone, this vehicle is loaded with features. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Style and security are not compromised with roof rails, privacy glass and side steps. Additionally, benefit from features like energy recuperation and self-driving technology. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.